What we are proud of with our baby cots is the fact that they last for many, many years, and they can be used over and over again with every new baby which comes to the family. All our cots have to undergo 28 different tests before we allow them on the shop floor. We hit them really, really hard and twist them. We simulate in the test a child jumping up and down up to 7,000 times. And we also overloaded it with 300 kilos. Our new cot base offers the best possible ventilation, which is very important for the baby and for its safe and healthy sleeping environment. We also make sure that none of our furniture contains any harmful chemicals, because we know that at some point the baby will stand up in the cot and start to chew and bite on the side rail, and that's okay to do. And last but not least, we also make sure that all the edges, all the corners are rounded and smooth and nice so that the baby doesn't get hurt.